Hello, my name is Elijah, and today we're making spaghetti squash. There's 3 things you can do with the squash. You can cut it the short way, the long way, or just cook it whole. And for this video, I'm going to be cooking the squash whole. And so we're going to take the lid off the Instapot, put the trivet that comes with the Instapot inside, put the water in as well. By the way, you will need 1 cup of water. Now you're going to put the squash inside, put the lid on, close it. Make sure the little valve right here says sealing. Then you're going to go to the front, press manual or pressure cook. Right now it says 4 minutes, but you're going to want to put it for 7 minutes. And in 7 minutes, we should have a squash, and I will show you what to do from there. Alright, our time's up, and now we're going to turn the knob up here to venting, and I like to put a towel over it so that it muffles the noise. Okay, so our squash is done, and now let's take it out. Okay, so now we're going to cut it the short way. It should be a lot easier to cut. You're going to make sure you want to have a good grip on it still. Alright. Then, the inside of it should be very nice. Now we're going to scoop the spaghetti squash out. And there you have it, and that's how you make spaghetti squash.